Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to install Elementor template kit in WordPress. So let's get started. The first step you'll have to do is to log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, hover over plugins on the left hand side and now click on add new. Click on the search plugins box on the right hand side and type in Water Element. Now over here, install the first result and also click on activate. Once it is activated, you'll see the elements option on the left hand side. Now hover over it and now click on template kits. Now over here, select any one you like and click on install kit. And to use the premium kits, you have to get the Envato Element subscription. Now to get free template kits, you have to click on free kits on the left hand side. And over here you'll see all the free templates. Now let's say we'll just install the first one. I'll just click on install kit. After it is done, make a new page by going over to pages on the left hand side and click on new page. And now click on edit with Elementor. And over here you'll see your install kit. Now click and install it. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.